The purpose of this database is to keep track of information about students, teachers, contracts, and store data about Pine Hill Music School. The first step was to open up a blank access database and name it Pine Hill. Next, I renamed the default primary key ID field to Teacher ID and changed the data type to text. Next, I added fields for first name, last name, degree, school, and hire date. All of the fields were set to text fields with the exception of hire date, which was set to date and time. Then I went ahead and saved the teacher as table. Saved the table as teacher. Next, I went ahead and entered all of the data about the teachers provided in the textbook. Next, I copied the data from a separate database called School and copied the information from the faculty table in the school database and pasted it into the Pine Hill database. After that, I resized the columns in the datasheet as necessary so that all the field values are completely displayed, and then saved the teacher table. Next, I clicked on the Create tab, clicked on Query Wizard, and used the simple Query Wizard to create a query to include the first name, last name, and hire date fields, and named the query Start Date. Next, I created a form for the teacher table by clicking on Create and Form. I then saved the form as Teacher Info. After that, I used the Report tool to create a report based on the teacher table. I then resized each field so it's slightly wider than the longest entry and that all 6 fields should fit within the page area after resizing. After that, I moved the page 1 of 1 text so that it's within the page area. I then changed the layout to Print Preview to verify that all of the info will be visible if I should decide to print this report out. And lastly, I saved the report as Teacher List, closed the teacher table, and then compacted and repaired the Pine Hill database. To do that, I went to Database Tools and clicked on Compact and Repair Database. And that's it. Spreadsheets are used for creating results of calculations based on figures that are put into the spreadsheet. Some elements of the spreadsheet are textual or graphical, but the power of a spreadsheet is the ability to do complex calculations using advanced formulas with the information provided. Databases are used to collect, manipulate, filter, and report on various kinds of data. The strength of the database is its ability to manipulate and filter data quickly and accurately. Databases are the better choice to use over spreadsheets when the information is a large amount that would become unmanageable in spreadsheet form and is related to a particular subject, maintaining records for ongoing use, and generating reports based on the information. Spreadsheets are the better idea to use to crunch numbers, perform automatic calculations, to easily create charts and graphs of your data, and creating what-if scenarios.